G'day, I'm standing outside Revel Rancharrah, Reno's newest independent living community, and we just recently helped some clients move in here, and I'm about to go and catch up with them.
It's so great catching up with you both as always. As you know, we'd like to share your recent right-sizing experience in the hope of helping others who are also maybe considering a move to a more manageable home. So let me just ask you both, what did you like best about the process of us helping you downsize from your Galena Forest home and then getting you moved and resettled into your new apartment here, and then the subsequent sale of the Galena Forest home?
Well, what I liked best about it was that Brett has a very pretty wife.
And it'll enjoy that.
And she laughs at my jokes, so that makes a big hit with me.
Both the Junells are very personable and very easy to work with. There's none of this knowing everything that we should or shouldn't know, but working with us.
You know how we were living before at Galena Forest Estates, and now look at the size of the place we have here. The Junells had dealt with that sort of problem and really had helpers for us. Let us not forget to mention our estate sales lady. Boy, oh boy, she really put her shoulder to the wheel too for us. And okay, I chose to work with the Junell Group because it offered a broader range of services than other real estate agents typically offer, and it something I wanted to take advantage of.
Yes, and I explained to the two agents we'd worked with before, the one who sold us 2 houses, and the agent when we bought our current house, that it was nothing against them. They were great agents, but we wanted to use the services that the Junell Group offered in addition.
Boy.
Well, and the references too.
That
if we needed something done, you had people you could recommend whom we might contact, and we could use them or not. It was not a list of here are the people you need to use, but just some references, and we found some very good workers through.
Oh yeah, what John did with that computer program was a huge help. But for an initial step, having those computer programs of floor space availability really was a huge first step. We didn't have to shuffle furniture around to find out what fit and what didn't.
To pack things up, to help us figure out what was going to fit and what wouldn't fit. So they did a lot of work ahead of our move. Well, I would say that Brett and Annette were able to get our house sold, and the timing was perfect. The close on our house was right in sync with our schedule to move.
Right. It was what I really liked was his desire to get involved in everything and make sure it went well, and he's eager already to help us hang paintings, and we look forward to doing that with him.
And I'll add that Brett and Annette also came up and helped us move some of our things into the kitchen.
That was
They
fun.
didn't have to do that. They came up, unwrapped dishes, emptied boxes, put things in a reasonable spot. So that was above and beyond, I think, that we would expect any agents to do.